Welcome back to Spy Garage.
An image of elegant elegance with the conveniences of mobile living is created by the excitement about a possible 2026 Lincoln Motorhome. A thorough description may be given, even though specifics are still up for speculation based on Lincoln's well-established design philosophy and the changing market for high-end recreational vehicles. A 2026 Lincoln Motorhome's exterior would probably combine modern design elements with regal elegance in a cohesive way. One could imagine a dominant presence with a prominent, trademark grille, elegant lighting features using cutting-edge LED technology, and clean, flowing lines that prioritize both aerodynamic efficiency and aesthetic grace, all modeled by Lincoln's current car lineup. Incorporating panoramic windows would give residents sweeping vistas of their surroundings, in addition to adding natural light to the interior atmosphere. Moreover, the car's luxury positioning would be emphasized by finely designed exterior decoration, maybe including polished metals and understated badging. Convenience and accessibility would be prioritized via thoughtful ingress and egress design elements like power-deployable steps and well-placed assist handles. A 2026 Lincoln Motorhome's interior would surely be a haven of luxurious comfort and cutting-edge technology. The living areas would radiate a sense of subtle luxury by utilizing the best materials, like soft leathers, real wood veneers, and high-quality textiles. Spaciousness and functionality would probably be given top priority in the arrangement, and creative design ideas might be used to optimize usable space. To satisfy discriminating culinary tastes, a fully furnished gourmet kitchen with top-of-the-line appliances and well-designed cabinetry is required. The bedroom area would have integrated entertainment devices and possibly movable beds for the utmost in relaxation. Premium fixtures and finishes would be used in the restrooms, which would have a residential-inspired design. A 2026 Lincoln Motorhome would need to be well integrated with technology. Navigation, entertainment, and vehicle systems could all be fully controlled by an advanced infotainment system that is seamlessly integrated into the dashboard and may even extend to adjacent living areas. High-speed internet connection and wireless charging capabilities are examples of connectivity elements that would guarantee residents stay in constant communication. Building on Lincoln's current array of convenience and safety features, driver assistance technology would improve driving and add an extra degree of security. The degree of convenience and customization might be further increased by integrating smart home technology, which would enable voice-activated control of the lighting, climate, and other features. A strong, well-designed chassis that is designed to offer a stable, comfortable ride would be essential to the foundation of such a motorhome. A calm travel environment would be enhanced by cutting-edge suspension systems and noise-canceling technologies. Growing environmental concern may be in line with considerations for sustainable power solutions, which may include hybrid or even all-electric powertrains. To sum up, a 2026 Lincoln Motorhome would be the epitome of mobile luxury, skillfully fusing the brand's renowned style and cutting-edge technology with the demands of long-distance travel. It would provide a genuinely remarkable and prestigious travel experience, satisfying the needs of those who want the utmost comfort, sophistication, and technological integration in their leisure activities.